Here goes the first ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Vicky Naik against Bablu. Oh, lovely delivery. Chance for run out. Oh, this is. We have to wait for umpire's signal. Umpire says not out. There was an opportunity of a run out and missed here. All the opportunities that come on the way has to be taken if they need to win this match. A very strong unit, EB Olympians, in terms of batting. Lots of supporters are there of EB Olympians on this ground watching the match from the dugout and across all parts of this figure of the ground. Floodlights coming into full effect. Floodlights in Kurcherem, I guess, after a long time. And on top of that, for excitement and entertainment, lots of prizes, spot prizes will be given to the spectators. LED wickets and LED bells. First time in the history of Kurcherem has been brought to you on this ground by Lucky Boys. So excitement and thrill will continue throughout the night. Second ball. Vicky against Pradul. Oh, cracking delivery. Right on the button, right on the mark. So he has come warmed up from outside. He knows the importance of each and every ball. As a bowler, as a batsman, you need to be pumped up for a big match like this. Don't give any loose deliveries to any of the bowlers. The fight will be tough to enter into the finals of this grand tournament. This is massive! What a strike! This has gone many a rows back. Oh, that was slightly short and he was waiting onto the back foot, pounced onto that like a tiger. This is excitement. 2 dot balls against Vicky. Actually, one was a single and then a 6. Score moves on to 7. The ball is back. Once again, Vicky ready to bowl to Pradul. This is once again, is it going for 6 runs? We have to wait for signal and it's a 6. Score moves on to 13. This is an aggressive stuff here from Pradul Sanghekar against Vicky Naik. What a lovely atmosphere. Jam-packed stadium, jam-packed crowd, every nook and corner of this ground. And they are waiting and excited to see a wonderful cricket match. This is in the air. Who is going to take this catch? Oh, he drops it. He dropped a sitter. This was so easy. You just cannot, and a chance given here to Pradul, who is looking in stunning form. You got to handle the pressure. It's the pressure in a big game like this. If you don't have experience, sometimes you tend to lose the focus. Your hands shake. And it is not about the players and also about the owners and supporters as well. This time, very nicely played. Very smart cricketer is Bablu. He knows that if Pradul is aggressive at one end, I don't need to give away my wickets. I just take singles and cross over at the other end. A wonderful over to start the proceedings here for EB Olympians after completion of one. The score is 15 without loss. Next over. This is also a mandatory power play over. So first power play has gone in favor of EB Olympians. Now this is the second over. So Bablu still on the wicket and playing a steady knock, playing on 2 of 2 balls. So Rudresh. Oh, this is a lovely strike. Massive here, flat 6. One thing for sure, this is going to be a high-scoring match, high-scoring semi-finals. This is once again 4 runs, slightly short. He was onto the back foot and played it at the long on region for 4 runs. So 1-6, 1-4. Now the fielder changes. Vicky himself now taking guard at the long on region, understanding the importance. 2-1-6 and 1 boundary has come in the same region. Bablu was not ready. Maybe something troubling him at the back. That's good from Bablu here. He needs his concentration absolutely bang on with it, that 4 and 6. He doesn't want to lose his focus. Somebody was moving. This is once again full toss ball and another 4. This has been a rollicking start here. Both the batsmen on fire. In fact, opening batsmen of EB Olympians have done a very good job. They are the one team that have won all 3 matches in the league stages. Oh, this is beautiful and this is massive as well. Bablu on fire here at Figueiredo ground. What a start, what a start. Within no time, even the second over has not completed. The score moves on to 35 on the board. This is in the air and catch taken by RJ. What a stunning catch here. One-handed catch at the point region. There is an award for best fielder also in this tournament, and this catch has been noted here by Viraj Tendulkar. That will go in his books to judge who is going to be the best fielder of this tournament. There is also a prize for emerging player, and few names are already in the book here. New batsman coming onto the wicket is Sunil Sawant, popularly known as Sono. So once again, very nicely bowled. A good comeback here after that blitzkrieg and wonderful hitting, clean hitting from Bablu. But he goes back. There will be huge sigh of relief for JMD Marsena seeing his back in the dugout. After 2 overs, the score is 35 for the loss of 1. So Pradul, mandatory power play overs have come to an end. Now that there will be ease in restrictions of a field, 4 fielders inside, but the rule says maximum 5 fielders outside. That is as per ICC. Batting power play has not been chosen here, and the reason is Suraj Parab, the icon, and Guru Prasad Aroskar, the outstation player who is in stunning form these days in Goa, is yet to bat. So maybe the strategy looks to be when they are there on the wicket, they can take that batting power play over. This is once again hit powerfully, could not get off the meat of the bat. Lower full toss ball. Vicky comes back and continues bowling of his second over. Sunil Sawant so far has faced 1 ball, and he'll be facing Vicky for the first time in this tournament. This time a dot ball slightly wide outside off stump, but well within that white line marked for umpires. Sunil Sawant also has got a wonderful switch hit. And Vicky and all these players know each other very well, so they know their strengths and weaknesses as players playing around each other in different matches and together in the same team for different tournaments. This is Sunil Sawant also comes back in and strikes a big one. Boy, what a start to this semi-final. Just the 3rd over, and we are inching closer towards that 50-run mark. 42 on the board at present, and with lots of sixes. So entertainment here guaranteed from all the players. They are giving their wholehearted performance. Everyone coming in form at the right time. Very nicely played, and RJ was quick onto that ball. Fielders inside the inner ring has to be also closing in fast, taking their start. Oh, that was a short ball. That was an opportunity here. He pivoted himself, but I guess there was a little bit less bounce compared to what he anticipated. Otherwise, this could have been at least a boundary down the backward of square leg region, but he did not get any connection whatsoever to the bat. Oh, wonderful ball right in the block hole. Good comeback here from Vicky, mixing it up well, bowling those slower balls, bowling those yorkers. Vicky Naik is the computer cricketer of Kurcharem, and that will finish over number 3, and the score is still on 42 for the loss of 1. Now, here comes the outstation player. Sandesh Thakur needs no introduction in the field of tennis ball cricket in Goa. The best all-rounder that you can get in tennis ball cricket, plays for Goa team, is playing for GMD Masena. That's a lovely ball. Starts off right on the mark. That was not short enough to be pulled away. And he's got the pace also, and he cuts the ball away from the right-handers. That ball will come inside to the left-hander. If you have not faced him, then it can be nippy. He can be deceptive as well sometimes. Oh, this is huge! This is a humongous strike here from Pradul Sanghekar. Well, Pradul is saying, I am not intimidated by the big name in front of me. For him, from his inside, the spirit says, it's the game that matters, it's not the name that matters. So here he is showing his class, he is showing his game, and what a strike. This is the third six for him. The left-hander coming into the groove of his own in these semi-finals. Quick ball. The bat came way too late, and the ball was already into the hands of the keeper. Maybe Sandesh Thakur didn't like that six, and that was a response from him. That's a lovely cut shot. This is a beautiful shot here from Pradul. Ball racing towards the fence, and this has got enough legs to go for 4 runs. We welcome Rupesh Desai, owner of Barabhumi Warriors in the Pendal, in a die-hard cricket fan. Always support every time we reach to him. Score moves on to 52. So 50 up here for EB Olympians. This is good comeback. But what a lovely shot that was. The cut shot. You don't see often these shots, these classy shots in tennis ball cricket. Even if you play orthodox shot, you will get value for your shots on this ground with that wicket. The ball racing towards the fence for 4 runs. He looks to be in a good nick at this stage in the semi-finals. Oh, a slight misfield here. Ball bouncing just in front and giving a single. So with this single, the over comes to an end after completion of 4. It's a wonderful total posted here by EB Olympians. The batting has clicked at the right time. Score is 53 for the loss of 1. There will be change in commentary. Over to Badal Chaudhary. Yesterday it was a little bit late, and it was ball out between 3 teams, and finally the ball out was won at the top place by Anand CS Developers. Second was GMD Masena, and Mathura Farms bowlers could not hit the target in the ball out, so they bow out of the tournament. And now it's between these 2 teams to enter into the finals. Now the Malwani superstar, over to Badal Chaudhary.
धन्यवाद हरीश. लकी बॉयज पंटेमाड आयोजित कुडचुडेम प्रीमियर लीग स्पर्धेचो शेवटचो दिवस. आजच्या दिवसातलो पहिलो सेमीफायनल. मालवणी केंद्रावर सगळ्यांचं हात जोडून स्वागत. पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरीचो खेळ संपलो. 5व्या ओव्हरीची सुरुवात आणि 5व्या ओव्हरीच्या पहिल्याच बॉलवर लागलेला कलाम. प्रदुल सांगेकर आतापर्यंत खूप बऱ्यापैकी कामगिरी करत होतो. प्रदुलने आतापर्यंत 3 षटकार 1 चौकार मारलोय. पण 5व्या ओव्हरीची सुरुवात झाली आणि पहिल्या चेंडूवर प्रदुल तंबूच्या दिशेने वैयक्तिक 25 आणि सांघिक 53 रन्सावर बसलेलो हो दुसरो धक्को. पहिली विकेट संदीप कुर्डईकरची. 22 धावा संदीप कुर्डईकरचे, 2 चौकार, 2 षटकार आणि 2 सिंगल. आणि त्यानंतर अतिशय सुंदर कामगिरी प्रदुल. 2 खेळाडू तंबूच्या दिशेने न्यू बॅटर मैदानात पावला टाकताना गुरुप्रसाद आरोस्कर. गोवा राज्यातो आणखी एक स्टार खेळाडू नॉन स्ट्रायकर यांच्या दिशेने, स्ट्रायकर यांच्या दिशेने सनील सावंत. कालच्या दिवसात ज्यांनी आपल्या संघासाठी खूप विशेष कामगिरी केली असो सलील स्ट्रायकर अँड बॅटर आणि नॉन स्ट्रायकर अँड गुरुप्रसाद आरोस्कर. सोमेश प्रिवळकर द बॉलर. शॉर्ट पिच चेंडू, परत एकदा उडालेलो कारंजो, परत एकदा वळ्यात जाऊन पडलेलो चेंडू. सेम बॉल, सेम शॉट, सेम रिझल्ट. रुपेश देसाई सर हैसर उपस्थित असत. आज मोलमच्या मैदानावर रुपेश गावकरने हॅट्रिक केली आणि रुपेश गावकरचा सन्मान रुपेश देसाई सर तुमच्या हातून झालेलो. आज तुम्ही परत इलात, परत हॅट्रिक होतली की काय मैदानावर असा वाटाक लागला. सोमेश प्रिवळकर पहिला 2 बॉलवर लावलेली 2 कलमा. सेम बॉल होतो, आखू टप्प्याचा चेंडू होतो, पूल करण्याचा प्रयत्न होतो डीप मिड विकेटच्या दिशेने. सेम फिल्डर, सेम रिझल्ट. सलग 2 बॉलवर 2 लागलेली कलमा. गुरुप्रसाद आरोस्कर आउटस्टेशन खेळाडू ज्याच्याकडून खूप मोठी अपेक्षा होते असं गुरुप्रसाद थोडीशी निराशा करताना. ज्या गुरुप्रसाद आरोस्करने गोवा राज्यातली सगळी मैदानं त्याचबरोबर सिंधुदुर्गातली महाराष्ट्रातली मैदानं सुद्धा गाजवली असं गुरुप्रसाद. कोकण नाऊ लीग 2021चा उत्कृष्ट फलंदाज आणि त्याचबरोबर मिल्लत चषक 2021 कुडाळ महाराष्ट्राच्या मैदानाचा आदर्श खेळाडू. आज मात्र खूपच निराश करून तंबूच्या दिशेने गुरुप्रसाद आरोस्कर. सूरज परब आणखी एक स्टार खेळाडू मैदानात, संघाचो कर्णधार, संघाचो सेनापती मैदानात पावला टाकताना. स्लोअर 1 चेंडू होतो, पूल करण्याचा प्रयत्न, पंचांचो इशारो वाईड चेंडूचो. अवंतरच्या स्वरूपात 1 रन आणि 1 रनसानीची धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 54 रन्सावर. 54 धावसंख्या 54. सलग 2 चेंडूवर 2 विकेट सोमेश प्रिवळकरचे. तोच सोमेश परत एकदा बॉलिंग मार्कर. सूरज परब स्ट्रायकर यांच्या दिशेने. चेंडू खूपच सुंदर होतो, बॅट आणि बॉलचा काही संपर्क नाही. उरलेला काम विकेट किपरने केला पूर्ण. पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरीत मोठी धावसंख्या बघूक मिळाली, 53 रन्सांची सुंदर भागीदारी. संदीप कुर्डईकर, प्रदुल सांगेकर आणि सनील सावंत. खूपच सुंदर भागीदारी ह्या 3 खेळाडूंनी पहिल्या 2 विकेटसाठी केली. पण त्यानंतर मात्र 2 विकेट अगदी स्वस्तात गारत सोमेश प्रिवळकर 5व्या ओव्हरीत कमाल करताना. आखो टप्प्याचा चेंडू, पूल करण्याचा प्रयत्न, बॅटची कड घेऊन चेंडू परत एकदा फिल्डरच्या वळ्यात जाऊन पडलो. शॉर्ट फाईन लेगच्या लागलेला 4था कलाम. परत एकदा जाऊ द्या मैदानाच्या दिशेन. धावसंख्या स्थिरावलेली 57 रन्सावर. पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरीत धावसंख्या झालेली 53 आणि 5व्या ओव्हरीत फक्त 3 रन्स खर्च केले. सोमेश प्रियवकरने खूप नियंत्रित गोलंदाजी केली. त्यानंतर परत एकदा संदेश ठाकूर, संदेश ठाकूर पहिले 4 चेंडू संदेशचे समाप्त. धावसंख्या स्थिरावलेली 57 रन्सावर. 57. हलक्या हाताने खेळलेलो चेंडू, सन्मान दिलेलो चेंडू. पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरमध्ये खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणावर धावसंख्या, अतिशय सुंदर भागीदारी झाली. 5व्या ओव्हरीपासून मात्र मॅच थोडीशी बदलायला लागली. खेळपट्टीकडून मदत गोलंदाजांका मिळाली. ज्या गोलंदाजांची पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरीत अक्षरशः कत्तल झाली, तेच बॉलर पुढच्या ओव्हरीत मात्र थोडेसे वरचढ बॅटरवर. अजून एक खोलवर टप्प्याचा चेंडू, कव्हर्समध्ये क्षेत्ररक्षण खूप सुंदर. परत एकदा चेंडू राहुल मेडन चेंडूनिशी 6व्या षटकाचा खेळ झालो समाप्त. पहिली फलंदाजी करताना ईबी ऑलिम्पियन संघाची धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 57. 5 गड्यांच्या मोबदल्यात 57 फॉर 5. हॅलो. 8व्या षटकाचा खेळ प्रगतीपथावर 1 रन. धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 63 रन्सावर 63. शेवटच्या ओव्हरीतले 4 बॉल सोपले. शेवटचे 2 बॉल शिल्लक. आदित्य नाईक द बॉलर. सोमेशने खूप सुंदर गोलंदाजी केली. 2 ओव्हरीमध्ये 5 रन देऊन 4 विकेट. फुलटॉस चेंडू फटकोतर मोठो. मिड विकेटच्या कपडावरसून चेंडू आकांड्या पार. टांगा पलटी. घोडे फरार. षटकार डायरेक्ट चंद्रार. चौथ्या ओव्हरीनंतर बघितलेलो हे पहिलो षटकार. कारण चौथ्या ओव्हरीनंतर सोमेश प्रियोळकर नावाचा वादळ मैदानावर इला. जी धावसंख्या पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरीत 53 होती त्या धावसंख्येक लगाम घातलो सोमेश प्रियोळकरने. 2 ओव्हरी गोलंदाजी केली. फक्त 5 रन खर्च केले. 4 विकेट आपल्या नावावर केले. ही सगळी अचूक आकडेवारी तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचवणारे आमचे स्कोरर विराज तेंडुलकर. अतिशय सुंदर स्कोरिंग काउंटिंग. गोवा राज्यातल्या मोठमोठ्या स्पर्धेमध्ये अगदी सांगेम प्रीमियर लीग सारख्या मोठ्या स्पर्धेत स्कोरर म्हणून काम करणारे आमचे मित्र विराज तेंडुलकर. अगदी अचूक आकडेवारी. षटकारनीची धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 69 69. इनिंगची सांगता करणारा शेवटचा चेंडू घेऊन आदित्य नाईक बॉलिंग मार्कार. परत एकदा फसलेलो चेंडू. कव्हर क्षेत्ररक्षक फील्ड करता तोपर्यंत 1 रन पूर्ण. दुसऱ्या रनचा तो इरादो आणि दुसऱ्या रनचा नादात फलंदाज मात्र धावबाद. एक अस्तित्वात नसलेली धाव घेण्याचा तो प्रयत्न. 1 रनवर मिळालेला समाधान. एकूण धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 57 रनवर. टॉस माफ करा 70 रनवर 70. JMD महासंघाने जिंकलेलं टॉस घेतलेली फिल्डिंग. EB ऑलिम्पियन संघाची पहिली फलंदाजी. पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरीत धावसंख्या होती 53 रनवर. कारण पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरीत संदीप कुर्डईकर, प्रदुल सांगेकर आणि सनील सावंतची चौफेर टोलेजंग फटकेबाजी. पण त्यानंतर वादळ सोमेश प्रियोळकर नावाचा 2 ओव्हरीत 4 विकेट आपल्या नावावर. धावसंख्येक लागलेलो लगाम. 8 ओव्हरींचा खेळ समाप्त आणि 8 ओव्हरीनंतर पहिली बॅटिंग करताना EB ऑलिम्पियन संघाची धावसंख्या पावली 70 रनवर. 71 रन्सांचा टार्गेट आणि 71 रन्सांचा टार्गेट JMD महासंघ JMD महासेना संघ कसो पार करता बघूया डीजेच्या ह्या गाण्यानंतर.
Meanwhile, एक प्राइज आणि एक क्वेश्चन स्पेक्टेटरा खातीर. हे जे प्राइज आसा एक जर्सी कुपन जे दिला टाड हे जर्सी करतात ताणी हे प्राइज दिल्ली आसा. क्वेश्चन असो आसा, आयकयात. क्वेश्चन असो आसा, ट्रॅव्हिस डावलिन हे नाव कोणें आयकलां काय ना म्हाका खबर ना. हो एक क्रिकेटर आसा. तो तितलो फेमस ना पूण त्या मनशाक त्या क्रिकेटराक इंडियाक एक कनेक्शन आसा. तें कनेक्शन कितें? ट्रॅव्हिस डावलिन हो इतलो फेमस न्ही पूण एक युनीक अशी गजाल आसा त्या ट्रॅव्हिस डावलिना बद्दल. त्या ट्रॅव्हिस डावलिनाच्या बद्दल युनीक गजाल कितें ती सांगची.
MS धोनीन काडिल्ली वन डे इंटरनॅशनल.
Absolutely right. He is the only wicket of MS Dhoni in one day international cricket. This was a tough question. This is not an easy question. आणि हांव मागता तुषार कळमळकर जो टाडाचो एक को ओनर आसा. तुषार, समीर आदेल, आनी हे प्रायज वता चंद्रकांत कुडचडकर हाका. ताणें बरें क्विक आन्सर केले कारण खूब जाण गुगल सर्च करताले. गुगलाचेर सुद्दां ते आन्सर सहजासहजी मेळपाना. requesting umpires and also the batsmen to please take the field fast. So now the batsmen have come onto the wicket. Man in form, Tausu, who was the man of the match awardee in the last match that was concluded for GMD Masena. They won that match and entered into that bowl out phase. And in bowl out, Sandesh Thakur was the only one to hit it and made sure that GMD Masena enters into the semi-finals. Now, it's the left-hander RJ and Tausu. Suraj Parab, the icon of EB Olympians. This is in the air, but away from the reach of the fielder. Ball racing towards the fence. Should get 2 runs, and 2 runs easily taken. There are a lot of gaps on the offside as 2 fielders which are allowed are kept in the deep square leg region and wide long on region. Suraj Parab plays on this ground regularly in the morning, and also Saish Naik, we call RJ, plays in the evening. This is once again in the air, away from the reach of the fielder in the same region. The ball racing towards the fence and stopped inside. Once again, back-to-back 2 runs here for RJ. And good thing here, he is lifting it over inside-out shot in the wide long off and covers region. If the fielders are placed on the leg side, he's trying to make use of the fielders inside the inner ring on the offside. 4 runs on the board after 2 balls. This is once again a good shot in the air and stopped. This is good piece of fielding here. It was short, but it didn't time it that well. But good fielding from, nevertheless, I guess it is Bablu, who is a wholehearted cricketer for any team. Puts the body behind. That's the basic of cricket. With a single score, moves on to 5. Tausu. Tausu is a hard hitter, and power play overs, I guess, definitely will be used. EB Olympians at one stage, it looked like cruising along towards that 100-run mark. But in the end, Somesh Priolkar came from nowhere as a storm and stopped that juggernaut of the runs. This is in the air. This will be, oh, this is dropped. I still remember in the first innings, 1 catch was dropped from GMD Masena. And now they are returning the favors to GMD Masena while they are batting. EB Olympians. Tejas Sail, the ball was behind him, but this should have been taken. 1 chance given to Tausu. Tausu is man in form in this tournament. And anyone would like to see his back. Once again, RJ facing Suraj Parab. This is lovely shot. Once again in the same region. Are they going for the second run? No, says Saish. I don't want to take any sort of risk for a run out. He knows the importance of Tausu as well. Run out is what they would not like at this stage. Score is 7. We are still into the first over. So far, so good from Suraj Parab. Very tied. Good piece of a chance of a run out. Deep, very quick onto that ball. He's a very good fielder and a good bowler. We'll see him bowling a little bit later, but decent and economical over to start the proceedings from the captain of the side, EB Olympians. After one, the score is 7 without loss. .71 is the target set by EB Olympians to GMD Mahasena. It's a pass score, not a big score, not a less score as well. If the wickets are taken, EB Olympians will be in the game. If there is one or two good overs, then GMD Mahasena can cruise into the finals. Everyone are glued to this match. They are not moving an inch away from this game. Deep to bowl the second mandatory power play over. Batsmen are still on the wicket is RJ and Tausu. Once again, similar sort of field, more sort of a mid-wicket, deep mid-wicket and deep square leg region. Both are good fielders patrolling that region. This time way outside off stump, very well left here. Smart here from RJ. There is no need to fiddle with that. When you are getting an extra run, an extra delivery. Score with that single, moves on to 8 runs. The ball kept, once again wide signaled. Maybe the idea seems to be bowling wide outside off stump to him. And sometimes when you bowl too wide, umpire gets it easy to call it a wide. Once again wide. 3 wides in a row from Deep. This was maybe down the leg side and he wanted to swing it hard. No connection. Still get 3 more deliveries. One single delivery, legal delivery has not been bowled by Deep in this match so far. And a catch drop once again. This is the second catch dropped in 2 overs. One dropped by Tejas Sel and now that wicket keeper Sunil Sawant. In a big match like this, you cannot give chances to the batsmen of caliber of RJ and Tausu. 1-1 chance each. Fielding nowadays is the most important aspect of any team. Catches win matches as is popularly known. Oh, lovely Yorker length delivery. Yorker is the best ball that you can bowl. Bumrah has mastered it. Malinga had mastered it in his career. And this ball can come to your rescue at any stage. Yorker is a Yorker in any format, may it be T20, Test match, leather ball or a tennis ball cricket. This is nicely lifted on the leg side. Will it be stopped? It doesn't have that much of power to cross over for 4 runs. Good fielding there from Guru. This single score moves on to 12. Slow and steady. We have still not seen a boundary or a 6 in the batting power play over. So you can imagine how well EB Olympians have bowled in the first 2 overs. Batsmen are trying hard. Even Tausu is trying hard, but they are not getting the connection that they required. Once again outside edge. Once again it is going away from the reach of the fielder. Will they go for the second run? RJ is quick and the throw is also very poor. So 2 runs once again conceded. Fielding is not up to the mark of EB Olympians today. Score moves on to 14 with those 2. This is in the air and Bablu is underneath. He didn't time it well, RJ. And first wicket going down of JMD Masena. It was short. It was to be pulled away. He missed the timing. Otherwise, this could have been 6 runs. But EB Olympians are on the high. They got the back of the first wicket of JMD. Saish goes back in the pavilion. Deep strikes. Score at the moment is on 14 and one more ball is yet to be bowled in the second over. So batting order has been changed here. Vicky is yet to come and so is Sandesh Thakur. So they have sent a man who can maneuver the fielders, who can maneuver the ball here and there to get those 2 singles, keep the strike rotating. One is a classic batsman, Aditya Naik, who has come onto the wicket. He's very strong, straight down the ground and also on the offside. And Tausu is a hard hitter. So that's a good combination here for JMD Masena. Deep will be bowling the last ball of the second over. Interesting match in prospect. We were waiting to see a thriller in the semi-finals and this is what we get. This is like a cricketing carnival here, cricketing festival you can say, Zatra Cricketici at Figueiredo ground in Pontemal. Everyone is watching this match keenly and also live on YouTube on Goa Livecast. This is a lovely shot. Oh, this is a leather ball shot here from Aditya Naik. Flick of the wrist, wonderful timing, grace, elegance personified by this man. With this 4-run score moves on to 18 after completion of 2 overs. So Sanjil. Macha फाटल्यान रावत EB Olympians. Macha फाटल्यान रावत. As the batsman might feel that the fielder is there close to the boundary. So Sanjil against Tausu. Oh, this is humongous strike. This is in the air for a long time and out of the ground as well. Tausu strikes a big one against Sanjil. I was mentioning about not dropping any catches of a good batsman. If you drop catches, then they go in the top gear immediately. They know that it might be my day and I will be going all out against you. With this 6 score moves on to 24. This is in the air. Is it going for 6 runs or is it inside? He tried hard, but back-to-back sixes. One in the mid-wicket region, one at long off. Tausu is the man in form here for JMD Masena. चुन्या माचमा चुनो फाटल्यान दवरला. तुमकां जर तर ग्राउंडा भितर वचपा जाय जाल्यार 12th मॅन वतलो. दुसरो कोण वचपाना. कॅप्टन or owner will not go in the field. Any message has to be passed. It's the 12th man has to go. This is good ball. This is a good comeback here. Asking for wide. Asking for wide. Tausu once again begging to umpire. If it's that umpire is wrong. Umpire on the field and wife at home are never wrong, even if they are wrong. This time, try to hit one more big shot in the mid-wicket region. So with this single, score moves on to 31. Very steady start, a good start, you can say, when you are chasing 71 runs. But things can change drastically within 1 hour. You can remember Somesh Priyorkar, the way EB Olympians were going blitzkrieg, hitting everyone out of the park, both the batsmen, and suddenly Somesh comes. And Somesh strikes 3 times in the over, and the match changes its head within no time. And the same can happen if you lose focus, if you lose concentration. Within no time, within 2-3 balls, the match can change drastically. This is a classic shot. Oh, this is a graceful and elegant here from Adit Naik. There are many who play shot in the mid-wicket region, but I don't think any classier shot than that. Everything was perfect. The bat straight, hit onto the ball, and that will give him a lot of confidence. A classic flick for 4 runs, and now a classic shot. Good, powerful, and with the timing. Grace was there in that shot. With the 6, score after completion of 3 is 37. EB Olympians are on the back foot. JMD Mahasena inching closer towards the target. What a lovely batting here. And worrisome here for EB Olympians is that Sandesh Thakur and Vicky Naik are yet to come on the wicket. Meanwhile, I request the captains of Kakodkas, Rudravatar and Anand's Yash Developers who are playing the second semi-finals, please come for the toss. This is a lovely ball. Suraj comes and bowls a Yorker length delivery. Suraj has to take the lead here. Suraj has to do something magical. Some Kismat connection has to be done by Icon and outstation player if they need to make a comeback in this match. Score moves on to 38. We are into the 4th over. This is very well timed. Sometimes not timing well also is a blessing in disguise. If he had timed it much better, it would have gone straight in the hands. With the single, score moves on to 39. Tausu is looking dangerous. Amina Science, and on top of that, Aditya Naik also coming back in form. But Suraj is having a vast and immense experience. He can certainly make things happen here on this ground. This time a good comeback, bowls a dot ball. This is a very good over, decent over. Few more dot balls will pile up the pressure on the batting side. Few more dot balls batsmen will feel, yes, the opponent team is coming back into this match. Once again, right in the block hole. What a lovely over here from Suraj Parab. Nothing given away. Leg by signal by umpire Aslam Sheikh. This time in the air, will it be crossing for 6 runs? 6 runs! What a straight hit against Suraj Parab. Aditya on fire. Well. Cricket can give you wonderful moments as well. He had rolled this wicket day in, day out for last 10-15 days. And that rolling must have increase the power and also the timing, and he knows exactly where are the sweet spots and where I can hit the ball. So Aditya Naik coming right at the right time. A score moving on to 47 after completion of 4 overs. Score is 47. Target is 71 runs. So only 24 runs required of 24 balls. This has been amazing hitting display here from both these batsmen. 2 sixes for Tausu, 2 sixes for Adit Naik. And best thing here is when there are good balls, Yorker length deliveries, they are giving the respect. So they are not giving the wicket away. So they are well in the match. Their minds are working. And it's the application of mind that converts a man into a gentleman. Meanwhile, there will be change in commentaries. Over to Badal Chaudhary.
धन्यवाद हरेश भाई. परत एकदा मालवणी केंद्रावर टार्गेट होता 71 रन्साचा. पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरीत धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 47. 24 चेंडू आणि 24 धावा इतके आव्हान अगदी साधा सोप्या येऊन रवला. पहिल्या 4 ओव्हरीत कमालीची जबरदस्त फलंदाजी केलेली ईबी ऑलिम्पियन संघान 4 ओव्हरीत 53 धावा. पण त्यानंतर मात्र खूपच निराशाजनक फलंदाजी. परत एकदा मोठो फटको बघता बघता पहिल्या टप्प्यानंतर चेंडू आखाड्याच्या पहिल्या आडी 4 रन्सा खातीर आणि ह्या 4 रन्सान धावसंख्या स्थिरावली अर्धशतकाच्या पहिल्या आडी जाऊन 52 रन्सावर 52. धावसंख्या फक्त 19 रन्सांनी दूर. JMD महासेना संघ फायनलमध्ये प्रवेश करण्यासाठी आवाज इलो. पंचांच्या इशाऱ्याची वाट न बघता बॅटर मात्र तंबूच्या दिशेनं चालू लागताना दुसरो विकेट पडलो. लागलेला दुसरा कलाम. संघाची धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 52 रन्सावर. रुपेश भाई, पहिली फलंदाजी तुम्ही बघितली. 4 ओव्हरीत 53 झालेले पहिली बॅटिंग करताना. पण त्यानंतर मात्र ईबी ऑलिम्पियन संघाच्या फलंदाजांनी खूपच निराश केला. फावला तर फावला, नाही तर बोर्डार नाव रावला. ह्या मालवणी म्हणीची आठवण इली. आमच्या मालवणीत आणखी एक म्हणा सोमा गेलो आणि पाठपुरावा करून इलो. बरेचसे बॅट्समन गेले आणि फक्त स्ट्रायकर नॉन स्ट्रायकर एंड फिरा आणले. त्यामुळे जी मोठी धावसंख्या शतकापार वाट बघी होतो ती धावसंख्या फक्त 70 रवली. आणि या 70 रन्सांचा बचाव कसो करू होतो. प्रत्येक रन्स महत्त्वाचा होतो, प्रत्येक विकेट महत्त्वाची होती. पहिल्या 2 ओव्हरीतच 2 कॅचासुद्धा सुटली गेली. आणखी एक मालवणीत म्हणा नाटातुटीचे वडे आणि धू बसली कायलीकडे. जेव्हा वडे नाटातुटीचे असतात, काटकसरीचे असतात, तेव्हा धुयेक कायलीकडे बसवून चालणार नाही. ते काळजीपूर्वकच सगळं सामान वापरूचा लागता. नेमकी हीच चूक झाली आणि हयच सगळी गणिता चुकली. अर्थात अजून वेळ असा वापसी करण्याचो. अजून जर टिचून गोलंदाजी झाली ईबी ऑलिम्पियन संघाकडसून तर नक्कीच वापसी होण्याची शक्यता. प्रेक्षकांका कोण जिंकलो कोण हरलो ह्या महत्त्वाचा नाही असा, तर एक दर्जेदार क्रिकेटचा सामना बघूक मिळाचो ही प्रेक्षकांची अपेक्षा. गुरुप्रसाद आरोस्कर बॉलिंग मार्कवर. ज्या खेळाडून गोवा राज्याबरोबरच महाराष्ट्रात जाऊन सुद्धा गोवा राज्याचं नाव रोशन केलं असो गुरुप्रसाद बॉलिंग मार्कवर. खोलवा टप्प्याचा चेंडू होतो. चेंडू रवलो मेडन. बऱ्याच कालावधीनंतर मेडन चेंडू अपेक्षित होतो आणि तो गुरुप्रसादकडून बघूक मिळालो. धावसंख्या स्थिरावलेली 52 रन्सावर. टार्गेट असा 71 रन्साचा. अजूनही 19 रन्सांची गरज. 5व्या षटकाचा खेळ प्रगतीपथावर. 5 ओव्हरीपर्यंत धावसंख्या 47. शॉर्ट पिच चेंडू प्री डिटरमाइंड शॉट ज्याका म्हटलं जातं. हलक्या हातान खेळान काढलेलो चेंडू. 1 रन्स फक्त मिळालो आणि 1 रन्सांची धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 53 रन्सावर. विकी नाईक कुडचुडेम संघाचा स्टार खेळाडू विकी नाईक. त्याच्या समोर असा गुरुप्रसाद आरोस्कर. ज्या गुरुप्रसाद आरोस्करने मालवण बोर्डिंग मैदान महाराष्ट्रातला गाजवला. प्रिन्स समादेवी चषकाची स्पर्धा ज्या मैदानावर होता ती कुडा हायस्कूलची स्पर्धा मिल्लत चषकासाठी 2021 मध्ये गाजवली. असं एक गुणवान खेळाडू गुरुप्रसाद आरोस्कर बॉलिंग मार्कवर. बॅटची कट घेऊन चेंडू थर्ड मॅनच्या दिशेन. बघता बघता चेंडू आखांड्या पार चौकारासाठी. धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 57 रन्सावर. फक्त 14 रन्सांची गरज. स्टील रिक्वायर्ड 14 टू एंटर इन द फायनल. आज मोलेमच्या मैदानावर विकीचो येळ बरो नाही होतो. म्हणून म्हटलं जातं येळ बरो त्याचो खेळ बरो आणि ज्याचो येळ वाईट त्याका झाडार चढलेलो असताना सुद्धा येऊन कुत्रो चावता. मोलेच्या मैदानावर विकीचो येळ बरो नव्हतं, पण हईल्यानंतर बघा विकीची कमाल. ह्याच मैदानावर विकीच्या नावावर मॅन ऑफ द सिरीजचो एक कूलर सुद्धा असा. तीसवाडी प्रीमियर लीग, त्याचप्रमाणे पणजीची डे नाईट स्पर्धा, अशा 3 मोठ्या स्पर्धेत मॅन ऑफ द सिरीजचो LED TV आमच्या विकी नायकाच्या नावावर असा. आणि ह्याच विकी नायकाच्या नावावर काणकोणाच्या स्पर्धेची प्लेजर बाईक सुद्धा असा. मैदानावर बॅट्समन चॉईस पॉवर प्ले, फक्त 14 रन्सांची गरज, फक्त 2-3 खेळाडू असलेले 30 यार्ड सर्कलच्या बाहेर, उरलेले सगळे खेळाडू 30 यार्ड सर्कलच्या आतमध्ये क्षेत्ररक्षण करण्यासाठी. एकूण धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 57 रन्सावर, टार्गेट 71 रन्साचा. 14 रन्सांची गरज असताना बॅट्समन चॉईस पॉवर प्ले. बॉलिंग मार्कवर वैभव, बॅट्समन बीट, त्यानंतर विकेट किपर थोडंसं बीट. चेंडू मात्र मेडन रवलो. फलंदाजांनी आपल्या सोयीसाठी स्वीकारलेलो बॅट्समन चॉईस पॉवर प्ले. विकी नाईक आणि आदित्य नाईक. आदित्य नाईक आतापर्यंत 1 रन, पण दुसऱ्या बाजून विकी नाईक 1 रनवर, पण आदित्य नाईक मात्र कमाल करताना 2 चौकार 2 षटकारांशी वैयक्तिक 22 धावसंख्येवर. सत्तावन्न धावसंख्या, 57. एक साधा सोपे आव्हान 71 रन्साचा. आणि ह्यानंतर होतली ती दुसरी सेमीफायनल, रुद्र अवतार्स वर्सेस यश डेव्हलपर्स. पुढच्या सेमीफायनलची नाणेफेक, तत्पूर्वी प्लेइंग 11ची लिस्ट. दोन्ही कॅप्टन तुम्ही रेडी राहायचे असत. मालवणी भाषेत सांगायचा तर दोन्ही कॅप्टन शेंदूर मारून घेऊ हरकत नाही. शेंदूर मारणं म्हणजे काय असतं? आपलं कोकणी मुलूक हे शेतकऱ्यांचं मुलूक. प्रत्येक शेतकऱ्याच्या घरात असलेली बैलजोडी आणि करमणुकीचा साधन म्हणून ह्या बैलांची झुंजसुद्धा काही ठिकाणी आयोजित केली जातात. जेव्हा हे बैल झुंजीसाठी रिंगणात पाठवले जातात तेव्हा मालकाकडून आपल्या मायेची थाप, कौतुकाची थाप, अपेक्षेची थाप म्हणून त्या बैलांच्या पाठीवर शेंदूर मारलं जातं. क्रिकेटच्या मैदानावर जरी शेंदूर कधी तुमका दिसलो नसलो तरी हे शब्द मात्र प्रातिनिधिक असा आमच्या कोकणातल्या सगळ्या शेतकऱ्यांसाठी. कारण शेतकरी असा म्हणून आम्ही सगळे असो. कारण भारत कितीही डिजिटल झालो तरी तांदूळ आणि डाळ ही डाउनलोड होऊची नाही, ती शेतातच पिकवची लागतली. धावसंख्या 57, टार्गेट 71 रन्साचा. खेळाडू झालेली थोडीशी दुखापत, इंजुरी टाईम नंतर परत एकदा मैदानावर. इंजुरी टाईम हे शब्द क्रिकेटच्या मैदानावर खूप दुर्मिळ जरी असलो तरी फुटबॉलच्या मैदानावर स्पर्धा चालू असा आणि फुटबॉलच्या मैदानावरचा एक विशेष शब्द इंजुरी टाईम. शॉर्ट पिच चेंडू, आखूड टप्प्याचा चेंडू होतो, पुल करण्याचा होतो प्रयत्न विकी नायकाचो. बॅट आणि बॉलचो काय संपर्क नाही. चेंडू रवलो मेडन, एक बाउन्सर समाप्त झालो. पंचांची खुणा, स्क्वेअर लेग पंच निलेश नाईक आणि असलम शेख. खूप सुंदर पंचगिरी. काल रात्री जवळपास 4 वाजेपर्यंत हे पंच ह्या मैदानावर होते. त्यानंतर आज दिवसभर मोलेमच्या मैदानावर, परत ह्या मैदानावर. प्रश्न पडलो की ह्या पंचांचो तास 24 तासाचो असा काय 36 तासांचो. एका दिवसात नेमके किती तास या पंचांकडे असत असो प्रश्न. इतकी सुंदर पंचगिरी. डीप स्क्वेअर लेग फिल्डर फील्ड करता, थ्रो करता, तोपर्यंत दुसऱ्या रनचा इरादो आणि बघता बघता 2 रन्स पूर्ण. पहिलो रन्स मिळत की नाही अशी शंका होती. त्या जागेवर अक्षरशः आदित्य नाईक आणि विकी नाईकांनी 2 रन चोरून घेतले. मालवणी भाषेत सांगायचा तर नको नको जाऊया आणि व्हाईन चाटून खाऊया ह्या मालवणी म्हणीची आठवण करून देणारा रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट. वैभव राठोड गोवा राज्याचा गोलंदाजीचा वैभव दाखवण्याच्या इराद्यान बॉलिंग मार्कर. विकी नायकाच्या बॅटमधून बाहेर पडलेलो अपिश ड्राईव्ह. बघता बघता चेंडू आखाड्याच्या पहिला आडी, टांगा पलटी, घोडे फरार, षटकार डायरेक्ट चंद्रार. षटकारनिशी धावसंख्या स्थिरावली 65 रन्सावर. विकी नाईक आपल्या नावावर पाक साजेशी कामगिरी करताना. सन्माननीय किशनजी सावंत साहेबांच्या शुभ हस्ते दुसऱ्या सेमीफायनलची नाणेफेक संपन्न होईल. सन्माननीय किशनजी सावंत साहेब आपल्याला विनंती. मॅच फिनिश, सामना समाप्त. बहारदार कामगिरीच्या जोरावर 71 रन्सांचा टार्गेट अगदी सहज चेस करून JMD महासेना संघ फायनलमध्ये प्रवेश करताना संघ मालक वरुण कुडसोडकर बाहुबली. एकदा बाहुबलीसाठी टाळ्यांचा गजर करूया. आज तुझे ती तिकडे पोरगी गावली
हो, वाजले, सांगतालो
भेट झाली ना
सांगतालो
बरं आहे ना आता?
पाच वर्ष ओके
कोणाचे असते थांब आधी टॉस होऊ दे थांब आधी दुसऱ्या सेमीफायनलची नाणेफेक
मॅन ऑफ द मॅच उडयतलो बाब किशन सावंत. सगळ्यात पयलीं अंपायर असलम शेख, मातशें तांकां चूज करून कोण जिखता तो पळोवया. Alvino is selecting and Sanju won. Now Sanju will call heads or tails. तो उडयतलो. किशन सावंत कोण उडयता दाखोवन उडयनाका. हात पॅक कर. कोण मागता संजू. हेड्स इज द कॉल्स. Tails it is. So Kakodkas Rudravatar have won the toss. Alvino fielding.
Oh yeah, of course.
Of course fielding. कारण सगळे फिल्डिंगच घेता. आनंद श्रेष्ठ डेव्हलपर्स स्ट्रॉंग सायड बॅटिंग बॉलिंग जबरदस्त आसा. सो तुका दिसता तांचे खंयचे प्लेयर्स इम्पॉर्टंट आसतले जे तुका बॅटिंग हातून बॉलिंग करतले तेन्ना काडपा जाय.
मेन दोन आसा सारके संजू आनी आमगेलो कादरीबाई. सो तांकां पयलीं उडोवपा जाय.
रायट तुज्या कित्याक संजू सद्यार इन फॉर्म आसा आनी कादरी म्हणटा तो मास्टर मायंड खंयच्या टिमीचो. ही कॅन मनीवरान सगळ्यांक बरे तरेन खेळून फुडें व्हरपाक शकता. आनी कितल्या 8 ओव्हरी भितर आतां पळयलां की 70 इज नॉट इनफ. कित्याक 70 जाल जाल्यार इजी काडपा जाता. तूं तांकां खंय रेस्ट्रिक्ट करपाक पळयतलो.
मिनिमम आमी 65 रेस्ट्रिक्ट करपा सोदतात.
65-70 म्हणजे चेस करपा जातलो असो.
कॉन्फिडंट.
सो तुगेले सायडी भितर कितें चेंजीस म्हणल्यार 11 कोण.
11 सेम आसा आमचे.
सो जे पयलीं खेळिल्ले तेच 11. ओके सो गुड लक टू यू इन द सेमीफायनल्स. Alvino wins the toss and decides to field first. संजू लक नॉट गोईंग पूण सदांच टॉस जिखतलो. टॉसाचेर मॅची आसना. तुजो खेळ कादरिलो खेळ सगळ्यांनी पळयलो आसा. तुमी मॅच केन्नाय व्हरपाक शकता. सो आतां तुज्या मनान पॉझिटीव घेवन वचपाचें अशें कितें आसा म्हणल्यार कितलो टार्गेट तूं दवरपाक सोदतलो. कित्याक आतां पळयलां की 70 इजिली चेस केला.
आमचो टार्गेट म्हणल्यार चडसो ना. आमकां एक 70 बरो आहा कित्याक आमचे बॉलर बरे आहा ताका लागून चडान चड
70 आनी बॅटिंग ऑर्डर 8 ओव्हरीची मॅच आसा. आतां पयलें आसा की JMD महासेनानी बी बॅटिंग ऑर्डर आपल्याली चेंज केली. विकी आनी संदेश ठाकूर सुद्दां लेट आयलो. तशें कितें तुमचे भितर जातलें.
ते आसतात न्हू मॅच पळोवन आमी चेंजीस करपाक शकता.
मॅच सिच्युएशन पळोवन चेंजीस करतले. गुड लक टू संजू एंड युअर टीम.
थँक्यू.
And thank you, Kishan Sawant. मॅन ऑफ द मॅच आमी सगळ्यांनी मॅच पळयली आनी एक खेपे दिसतालें की एक टीम सामकें वादळशें वतालें 100 रना कडेन आनी हें वादळ ज्या मनशान आडायलें तो एक आमचो इमर्जिंग अपकमिंग प्लेयर कुडचड्याचो सोमेश प्रियोळकार इज द मॅन ऑफ द मॅच इन दीस एनकाउंटर. जबरदस्त परफॉर्मन्स सेमीफायनलाक आनी हे मॅन ऑफ द मॅच प्रायज दितलो बाब किशन सावंत टू सोमेश प्रियोळकर. सोमेश यो आनी तुजे मॅन ऑफ द मॅच प्रायज वर. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स टू सोमेश. Reaching Gaurish Bende at near the pendle. Gaurish Bende, if you are somewhere near. क्विकली आनी एक जे टाड हांणी जर्सी कुपन दिल्ले आसा आनी एक क्वेश्चन सगळ्या लोकां खातीर एक असो नावाजिल्लो गावाजिल्लो इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेटर जाचे टोटल नंबर ऑफ रन्स इन हिज कॅरियर इन टेस्ट मॅच क्रिकेट आनी ताजी बर्थ डेट एक्झॅक्टली मॅच जाता जाची